The longest US government shutdown in history is over. It's Thursday, 13th of November, and here's what you need to know. President Trump has signed the bill to end the government shutdown, meaning federal employees should get back to work, air travel should start returning to normal just 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, and the market should get some of the economic data it's been waiting for. The White House suggested on Wednesday that October's employment and inflation reports might never come out, though, because they rely on physical data collection that should have happened last month and didn't. That means the Fed still won't have very much data to go on when it next votes on rates in December. Boston Fed President Susan Collins was the latest to say the bar for a cut is high and might not be met. Our chart of the day is the yen. That's edging closer to 155 to the dollar. That's the level where markets get nervous that the Japanese government may intervene. The new Prime Minister has made it clear that she wants to see rates stay low and has put pressure on the Bank of Japan not to raise them quickly. The bank's governor, Kazuo Ueda, seemed to go along with that today when he said he's aiming for moderate inflation, and that led markets to sell off the yen and Japanese bonds. Our stock of the day is Chevron. The oil giant launched a new strategy, cutting back on capital spending. CEO Mike Wirth sounded unbothered, though, by worries the world is just pumping too much oil, even though forecasts say a barrel of oil could average $55 next year, down from $69 this year. The IEA is predicting massive oversupply of 4 million barrels a day, which could cause oil prices to crater. Our number of the day is just 0.1%. That's how much Britain's economy grew in the third quarter. Economists have blamed the disappointing number partly on the massive cyber attack on Jaguar Land Rover, which cost the British economy an estimated $2.55 billion. The odds of the Bank of England cutting rates in December look decisively higher after that news. Markets now see that as 82% likely. And that's what you need to know this morning.